Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose and customize your Finch pet. Finch is a unique well-being app that combines emotional tracking, self-care and personal growth with this engaging experience of a virtual pet companion. Each Finch is more than just a character, it's a reflection to your personality and daily journey. From collars and outfits to expressive accessories, your Finch grows with you, offering motivation and delight along the way. So in order to customize your Finch extends beyond experiences here. So first you need to open to your Finch app, and in order to customize your Finch you can go to your pickles in the bottom right, and once you reach into this baby pickles, on the top right you can see there's a pencil icon. Select to this pencil icon. Here you can change the name, pronounce human name, and the outfit. Select to this outfit. Over here you can change your pickles outfit. You can simply go to any of this creature here and select each, and after you're done with your customization and after you interacted with your Finch, you can go back to the main screen to feed, play and care for your pet, and your customization affects how your Finch looks while interacting with you. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or question, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.